Yeah. Slash performance slash instructional photo. This would be some of my more...
And it's called?
The Perfect Picture Stance.
Why? So...
I thought about this during my residency in Big Sky. And in question of getting the perfect photo, you know. So you don't need to anymore worry because you can utilize my stance and take perfect photos every time.
It's actually not a steady pose.
No, it's not. But I assure you, it will produce perfect photos. Di wala kasi ano nga siya, parang highly idealistic. You know, isipin mo parang just with one hand.
Yeah.
So, wala lang, it's kind of a how do you say, parang
The master photographer.
sa telegraph, question about the perfect photo. There's such a thing. There must be.
Is there a perfect photo? Or do you have like instances of that when you've taken a picture and wait, this is the perfect photo?
Yeah, well, you'd feel that way. I think more so with photo than any other visual art. Kasi, parang once you capture the particular scene, particular time, parang meron na siyang, it's married with reality already. So, I guess you wait to wait behind it.
Maybe you can tell us about some of the photos that are not really photos, but are reproduced. Rolling paper prints and the cyano.
Yeah. The cyano type?
The cyano type.
I attended a workshop, 19th century processes, alternative processes or 19th century printing. And the moderator, she gave us paper with cyanotype so we can expose. So this is the first experience with the early style of printing.
What was the ground for this? For taking the picture? Just
Some
plain paper?
Yeah. Parang plain paper, pero if you can really see the quality, it's very good. Naalala ko si Manuel said na parang mukha siyang, it has that feel of it has that yung nostalgic feel, parang sinaunang panahon na photograph or scene.
Because it takes a lot of patience to develop pictures during that time.
At that time, yeah.
Diba?
This process, ano lang yan, sun. You don't need a dark room for this.
Sun, just the sun?
Yeah.
Okay.
The paper, the chemical, water, and sun. And the negative of
Do you
course.
consider this photography?
Yeah, pero a very rudimentary form of photography.
Yeah, how was that produced? Yung smoking paper print?
I have a photo of landscape, sunrise in Camarines Norte. And I had it, I scanned the negative, and I had the file brought to this place in the mall where they can make stamps. But the way they make the stamps is they have a sort of styrofoam or foam, and they expose it. Parang there's sort of an explosion happening in a small machine.
Wow.
That's that explosion, that light prints in the foam, and that's what you can use for
the process
It's still photo.
It's digital.
Digital na siya. It's still digital, but the end, would be.
Yeah, I want to ask you that. Is digital considered photography?
I accept.
Just as long as it's involving light and exposure.
Hindi na nga, well,
Ganon.
it's a different form altogether, I believe. Pag digital, it's not light anymore, it's information.
It's data, right?
Parang,
It's
yeah.
visual data.
So it's closer to painting, no?
Probably. Kasi how this thing would interpret, maybe, the machine. So, tricky na siya eh.
Yeah.
A lot of purists, if you can call them purists, or would say na it's not anymore, or it's totally different.
But that's your view. It's still
Me,
photography.
yeah. It's still,
Pero ano naman, celebratory naman yung from good guns.
yeah.
Yeah. Is it?
It's not
Celebratory. Good vibes. Only good vibes.
That's what we were doing at the time. Yeah, good vibes. Pero diba, a little bit heavier, a little bit darker. Especially yung mga...
Pero, yeah. And it's very non-judgmental.
Yeah. Wala siyang parang yung light.
Yeah, because you have this a lot of photos of this one person that we know.
Yeah.
And you can
That's
actually make a series entirely out of him, about him.
Yes.
Alam ba niya?
Yes.
Okay. And he's okay with it.
Siya pa eh. He was actually the one who asked me to take those photos. So, he was willing. Very much willing.
So, is drugs necessary to have an mind-altering aesthetic experience?
Tumpak. Yeah. Yeah, it can help.
It can help.
You don't necessarily need it. Yeah, pwede naman nula, pero it's much better with...
Much better with that. Or to be open, at least. Okay.